Welcome to the look back at the Strathspey Railway's Diesel Gala that took place over the 18th to the 20th of March. So all of these clips are taken from Friday the 18th, and first was the 10:58 arrival back into Aviemore with their recently acquired 37-6, 37674. 37674 carries its striking livery, being the Rail Freight Grey with BR large logos on the side of it. This is the very last 37 still around today to carry this livery. So after the shunt move of 674, it would then head the 11:15 departure of her Bowness onward to Boat of Garten and then Broomhill. Then this is just outside of Boat of Garten, and it would be the Strathspey's Class 31 D5862 leading 1240 departure from Boat of Garten to Broomhill. Then this would be D5862 on the return leg, arriving back into Boat of Garten at 13:23. Then next came the Class 27 that Strathspey have, being 20050 on the 13:33 departure off of Boat of Garten. Then a slight change of scenery with the Cairngorm Mountains in the background. 27050 would make its return to Boat of Garten at 1423. Then this would be 37674's second run of the day, going northbound. And then with the sunshine trying to come out, this was it on its southbound leg, back to Boat of Garten. Then this would be D5682's run on the 1553 departure off of Boat of Garten down to Broomhill. So then it's to Boat of Garten, and for all of £1 on the day, you have got haulage behind this, the Resident Class 08 D3650, 2 brake vans, and an ex-industrial shunter D2774. It would then shunt up and down Boat of Garten, quite the rare haulage. And this is then the move finishing for the day, heading back into the sidings. And then this is 37674 now shunting, ready to take the 1640 onward to Aviemore. And then with the sun starting to fade away, this is 31327 arriving into Boat of Garten with the 1623 inbound. Then shunting out of the way, ready to let 674 take over. And then there's quite a lot going on in the next scene. 31327 shunts into the bay platform at Boat of Garten. Meanwhile 27050 brings the 1633 into Boat of Garten. And then 37674 would shunt onto the coaches ready to take the 1640 departure off to Aviemore. And then the 1963 built Class 37 would then take the rake back onto Aviemore. This is the last clip in the video, and thank you for watching.